What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Drive from your Android phone. So what you want to do guys, you want to simply go ahead and look for a folder on your phone with Google. As you can see, I have a Google folder here, and if you open up this folder here, you will see that you have many apps. One of them is Google Drive. Now you can open the Google Drive from here. If you're not able to find this folder on your phone guys, you can simply do a swipe up on your phone and you can simply type in Drive, right? You should be able to find Drive on your phone. And if you're not able to find the Drive there on your phone, you can also go ahead and visit the Play Store and install it. So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and look for your Play Store, and you can go ahead and use that search here to type in Drive. So if you type in Drive, you want to go ahead and search for Drive. You'll find many applications, but you should find Google Drive here and you can install that. Keep in mind that if you have the Play Store on your phone and you're able to access it just like this, you will most likely have, let's say, a Gmail account connected to your phone already. And this is something that normally offered when you're setting up your phone. So you should, in theory, have a Google account connected to your phone, right? So that's going to allow you that once you download and open up the Google Drive application, you should in theory be able to sign in with that email address or that Google account, and it should all be connected. So what you'll be able to do once you open up that Google Drive application is that you should be able to use it right away, and you should be able to use Google Drive without any problem. And as you can see here, I have Google Drive open here. It starts with home, then I have the starred one if I have anything starred, and share files, and also files. You should be able to do that. This little plus on the lower right hand side allow you to add anything, so you can upload a file folder or whatever that you want to upload. Here in the upper left hand side burger menu, you also have many options as well there that you can access, right? So you also have the search here at the top middle. You can search for whatever you want. But in theory, that's it guys. This is all you need to access Google Drive on your Android phone. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.